Welcome to the Ridgway world. I have morning voice. We're camping at Masseys Landing, and I just wanted to show you around and what we're doing. And let's say good morning to John. John, he's still sleepy. Luna's up and about, aren't you, Luna Tuna? And Psycho Daddy is outside. I'm using the GoPro. I wonder what kind of pictures this comes out with. We have the shades drawn only because when other dogs walk by, they go crazy. But it's really, really beautiful out. Let me get this situated here. There we go, that's better. I got the GoPro this morning. Huh? Did you get any bites?
No, nothing yet. Just I figured give it a shot, putting it out here.
Yeah.
This is my official pole holder.
Look how pretty it is.
Yeah. That's a perfect site.
Everywhere we go, there seems like there's some sort of land that looks like lost. That's kind of strange, isn't it?
And the bridge over there is really nice too. Oh, there goes a big.
Oh, we got some kayakers out here. There's a lot of people out here doing stuff. We get an early start. That's Rehoboth all the way over there. This is Indian River right here, and over there is the bay, Rehoboth Bay. So you used your griddle, your new Blackstone griddle this morning.
Seasoning right now. A lot of people said vegetable oil, a lot of people said flaxseed oil, but I figured I'd go with vegetable oil since we had a shit ton of it in the house. So I'm on my third coat right now, so I'm waiting for it to burn off and then add another one.
Now last night we had gotten here late yesterday afternoon, and then we went to Paradise Grill. And what'd you think of that?
It was nice. I mean, there wasn't a lot of people in there, but the food was a little too spicy for me. It burnt going down and it burnt coming out. So.
But they had a live band though. They were pretty good.
Yeah, they were good. They played a lot of the 80s, 70s, 80s rock. I mean, which I like. So we were singing quite a few songs.
Yeah.
So I mean, but our only bad point about this site was that they put all these rocks in here from last year. We had every hopes to be able to
I know,
launch
and I know I'm going to hook all these rocks when I put my pole in.
Yeah, it's like these people. That would have been us coming up. Jesus Christ, there's no way to get your kayak in.
Yeah.
So,
oh my, it's like they're going to have a constant fight against this current, huh?
but all the years we've been coming here, I think this is our best site for view and everything.
Yeah.
I know it's a little bit more money, but who knows what tomorrow brings, right?
Yep.
So, but either way, beautiful place. Beautiful
Well,
company.
if you get something on,
believe me, I'll scream like a little girl out here if I catch
okay.
Because then people have been watching me the whole time over
and
there.
I'll get the camera.
Yeah.
Right. I don't know how this is going to turn out because I'm using a GoPro here, so.
All right.
Yeah, it might be a little strange, huh? We rented a golf cart for the week because it's quite a distance to get to the beach and to just the whole campground because it's very, very big. And I think I'll post the link. Oh, it just shot down. I think I'll put, not a link, but I think I'll post the video of his review of Masseys Landing from last year because we usually come here once a year in September usually. So, okay, I'll pick it up later. Hon?
What?
It's raining.
Rainy days and Sundays always bring me down.
No, it's rainy days and Mondays.
Yeah, but it's not Monday. Right?
Hi, Johnny. What are you doing?
So what do you do, hon, when it's raining outside of the campground?
You watch football.
Yep, Green Bay, Minnesota, and Bird Dog Whiskey. Woo! And we had a nice lunch, didn't we?
We did.
Yep.
The crab barn was very nice.
Crab barn was good.
We played Keno.
Yeah, we suck at Keno.
We lost because
Right.
we didn't know what we were doing.
We lost like $40.
Yeah, well, we didn't know what we were doing, hon.
So far the camp trip's been good. Band the other night was good, don't you think? I think Friday night.
Well, there were two different bands, Friday and Saturday. I preferred the Friday night one.
Friday night, yep, they were playing the Cars and Brian Adams, and who else was there? Oh, Tom Petty. Yeah,
Yeah.
a lot of good. And then the second night, I think the drummer was hitting a little too hard because it was rattling my cage a little bit.
Yeah.
So we didn't stay long, so it was good.
So what's the plans for the rest of the day? Because it's only 4:30.
Right. Well, the rest of the day is probably drink more whiskey and maybe do pizza.
You think?
Yeah, why not?
All right.
What is it? It's pouring out. At
What
least we got a good view.
Uh-huh.
So.
So, what did we also go to a couple antique stores today?
We went to some antique stores, so we got some implements of retaliation, I should say. Some good things that we can use in the
in our
future.
arsenal to just keep at hand.
Yeah.
Yeah, pretty good ones, I think.
Yeah. Did you get anything you
pretty
wanted?
creepy ones.
I can't remember. Did you get anything?
I did. I got a rabbit who's reading a book, but he fell asleep.
But he's kind of weird looking. I mean, it's
No,
kind of.
he's not weird. I think he actually belongs
It's
in
like satanic
my
look.
Noville.
I think he has like.
So I think that's where that's going to go.
Right. Well, that's good.
But yeah. So I just thought maybe you might have something to say about what you got.
No, I'd
No,
rather
you
not
wanna
go
keep
into
it
detail
secret?
what I got. But I think there was good stuff for future use. That's all.
Yeah.
But and getting back to the crab barn, I thought that was a good find. It was almost like the diamond in the rough, because we went to one place and it was so packed, and then the sad part is the Eagles game is blacked out today anyway, so it isn't like we could watch it here anyway.
I don't know what that means. What does it mean when they black out a game?
Certain areas can't receive the signal or can't receive the game.
And why did they do that?
I can't answer that. Stupidity.
Is that I'm
People
sure it
that-
has something to do with money.
I'm sure,
No?
but the people that run the networks are idiots. That's all. So they black it out to certain people. Why don't they have it everywhere? You should
Right.
be able to select that. Hey, if I want to watch the Eagles, I want to watch Green Bay, whatever. You should be able to pick it.
Yeah.
But that's
Green
not,
Bay
that's
is your
not,
team.
Yep.
Aaron Rodgers. Woo!
Woo! I think he's got a new hairdo too. I think it like swoops over or something.
Yeah. Well, it looks better. Didn't he have
Better than
really
that ratty
long-
ass shit he had last year. He looked like, with the down past his shoulders, all greasy looking and everything. So I'm still a fan,
Okay.
but can't pick the man's hairdo.
Do we have plans for this week?
We have plenty of plans, yes. More antiquing, probably kayaking, out to dinner,
Fishing.
hopefully sunshine. I think we got like 2 days of rain. But again, we're not working. We're enjoying life.
And we're relaxing.
We're relaxing. So
Right, Luna Tuna?
Tuna's relaxing.
Luna Tuna.
And I took Tuna to the dog park today and she didn't want to bark
Oh, my
something.
goodness gracious. And my Johnny Wani. Oh, Johnny. Yeah, oh. It's okay, baby.
Yeah. Ran out, Aaron. What happened?
Do you see? These are my salt and pepper shakers. How appropriate, huh? And Luna Tuna and John are just standing by the door, just waiting to go out. I just wanted to show you, and I know you've seen it before, but this is our view out our back window every single day. We wake up and, well, we sit outside. But isn't that nice?
Back up. You didn't see any wire
There's a
nuts
lot
in
of
the
things.
jump
Any what?
Wire nuts.
I don't even know what a wire nut looks like.
2 little plastic things that you cap down on something when you cut the wires and you want to reattach them. So, because I feel like we shouldn't go without a carbon monoxide tester in here.
And where do you think that would be in here?
I thought it was in the junk drawer. Move your head, buddy. There was like a little baggie I put in here with all kind of crap. We got rubber band crap, battery crap.
Do you want to tell everyone why you need anything to put that back together?
Why? Because I jumped the gun and maybe have clipped the wires off.
Yeah.
So,
Look at this.
yeah. But you're going to show the piles of hair in there too.
Yeah. See? He just ripped it out,
No,
disconnected
I
it.
professionally cut those wires.
Well, you cut the wires, and there was probably an easier way to do it. You
No,
probably
there wasn't an easier way to do it. It was wired directly into the panel. I couldn't do anything.
Well, maybe inside of it there might be a clip or something.
Right.
Now
well,
you gotta.
you know, because it was driving John crazy in the middle of the night.
I know. You want to tell them what happened? Because anybody who owns an RV, the electrical stuff is like mind blowing.
It is mind blowing because everything's computer based. Also, there's a thing called a what is that? What was the name of it? I'm having a
The
brain fart.
converter?
No, the converter and an inverter in here. Well, I always thought the inverter was to generate alternating current to direct current or vice versa. But the converter, I didn't know your trailer, if the converter's not working and the battery gets below a certain amperage, that all your shit goes to kaput. So, because we were out to dinner at a very nice restaurant, and we come home and I had the awning lights on, but they were real dim. I'm thinking, oh, okay, weird. Maybe our panel, the electrical panel in the back of the trailer, maybe, you know, shut off or something in the campground.
Yeah.
So I tried everything. We tried everything. We even took a fan out there.
Well,
And plugged
you know,
it in.
in here the lights were not working in
Right.
here, but the
Everything was
microwave
dim.
light was on, and we couldn't figure it out. And you you checked the box. That was your first
Check the
thing
box,
to do. Check
figured,
the box.
check to see if there was power,
Right.
because everything's dim, and I figured now it's running off battery, and so I figured the batteries are dead. So we got a solar panel that keeps our battery charged, and right now it's at 13.6, which is good, because I think 14.2 is the highest, but the oddity is nothing would work in here. I mean, I couldn't get anything. And so I was talking to the neighbors, seeing if anybody knew anything, and then my lovely wife.
Well, now let's go back here a little bit. Okay, you were in a very bad mood,
I was in a bad mood.
and
'Cause
I don't know why people do this, but they are nicer to strangers than they are to their loved ones. And I guess it's
Maybe because they
because
can
they
get away
feel
with it.
more comfortable. I don't know.
Maybe
but,
because I was on a mission.
But either way, it was a YouTube video, wasn't it?
Oh, it was a moment. I won't say it's a YouTube video. It was a moment.
It was a.
I don't always want to be in a video when I'm having a meltdown
That's
and
not
stuff.
what
I
I'm
just
talking about. I'm talking about what helped you. What helped you?
You helped me by finding the video of some guy on
Exactly.
YouTube.
It was a YouTube video.
And he gave a discussion. It was very long, very slow, very methodical the way he was doing it. He was very good, but he
Yes.
said that if your converter takes a shit, then you're going to lose everything because it went below a certain amperage in the trailer. So, which logically speaking, I'm thinking, okay, well, I'm plugged into a 50 amp plug. It should fire this stinking trailer up. So, not knowing that my wife found, and
Yeah, and that bothered you too, didn't it?
yeah, it bothered me.
Yeah.
I'm supposed to know this shit.
But that night we had no air conditioning.
Oh, it was
the dogs
freaking
were
bad.
very, very not just hot, but very like anxious. I mean,
Right.
John was pacing, especially when that carbon detector was going off.
Yeah, and anybody that has ever had with the battery or electric smoke detectors or carbon monoxide, when they lose their juice, they start beeping, and this is irritatingly loud. So poor John, he's having a nervous breakdown, and at 12 years old, I didn't want him to have a coronary here in
Yeah.
the trailer. So I tried. I went in, tried to figure out if there was any wire nuts to hold it together or anything, but I got pissed off, and I clipped it. I clipped the wires right off and ended the beeping. And Johnny was thankful, right, buddy? That's why you love Daddy the most. So,
Aw, no, that's my Johnny.
but either way, what I do, I gotta wire this back up because safety first. Don't go by me and cut your cables. Keep a battery in them, keep safe, whatever.
Okay, so this video you watched showed you how to check the
Converter.
where the converter
Yes.
would most likely be in a trailer.
And yeah, and look, the oddity is, supposedly you got to take this electrical panel out. This is where all your fuses are. So you got to take that out, pull that out to get the converter, because for some reason, why they got to hide it. So instead, I found a different spot. I went
Okay. Bear with me.
in.
The puppies
Yep.
get out.
So in here, you want to climb in there, or you want me to climb in?
Well, you're gonna know where you're
Yeah,
pointing
here.
at.
So all the way, so this is the back, the underbelly of a fifth wheel. There's your computer panel. So all the way back there, that little silver box, is the converter, which just came on.
They said that is like an appliance itself.
Yeah. So, but they don't leave you much room to get around in here. So,
look at all those wires.
So, but on the back side, I don't know if you can see it. I'm gonna try to get that in. There's 2 fuses right there. You can see them. I think they're 35 amperes. So what I found is that one of the fuses was hanging out. So I reached in there and tugged it and pushed it in, and it started right up. So we haven't had a problem since. So sometimes an easy fix like that corrects the problems. But I had a couple meltdowns, and I wasn't happy, and I picked on my wife, and I shouldn't have.
I tried to get the camera to document the whole thing, and he was like, "Not everything has to be a video."
Right. This is man's work. What was that from?
I don't know.
That was Rudolph, wasn't it? It was Rudolph.
It?
This is man's work, or
okay,
something like that. I'll find him, Santa. I'll find them all. And then, but why would you hide that damn thing all the way back in a hole like that? Why didn't you stick that like right on the corner here?
Well, because you put so much stuff in there that if it was out in the open, that you could hit it with something.
But if it's something that happens a lot, why wouldn't you put it there easy accessible?
It actually it needs to be more knowledgeable to everybody who has one,
Right.
so they can fix it themselves if they need to.
So either way, that was our shit night, but
Okay.
everything's back to work now. I'm working, so I got to close the panel up, get my coffee that I have hidden back in here, and go on to the next task, right?
Mm-hmm. What are you doing, John? You smell that bacon? Let's go see. He's using his griddle, cooking some. Oh God, that smells so good.
Voila, moving the grill helped a hell of a lot.
Okay. Well, it's been windy.
Yeah, so when we had it out right here yesterday, and we were cooking chicken, it just took forever to cook it because the wind was blowing up underneath it and causing the flame to flicker and not getting the griddle hot. But since I moved it over here, as you can see, it's working fine.
I'm gonna go on this side if you don't mind.
Yeah. So, and we seasoned the griddle with vegetable oil.
Yeah, you think you said that?
Did I? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't remember if I did or not. But so far, I'm very happy with the Blackstone griddle tailgate combo, though. I haven't used the grill part of it yet, but I think maybe tonight or tomorrow I may try that. So far, I'm giving it...
I love the smell of cooking bacon.
Yep, that's a new
wish
cologne.
you guys could smell that.
Shouldn't that be a cologne, though?
Huh?
Like, remember that commercial where the lady had the bacon strips hung to her ear and all the guys were around her? I think that's the attraction. I mean, bacon.
No, I don't remember that commercial
Oh,
at
it's been a
all.
while ago. So, yeah, another thing I like is the grease trap, or the grease strip. See, it comes down, it goes right in this pan, makes life a lot easier for me. And also, we've had some other than the one night of bad weather and the air conditioner, we've had good weather. We had that good harvest moon. That,
Yeah, that moon
I think
was
that was
beautiful.
Was that Saturday night or Sunday night?
I think it was Saturday.
Saturday.
Yeah.
No, that was beautiful, and it came right up here out of the east, which is normal. We get the sunrise and the moonrise, basically, if you want to call it that. But
yeah, I have a good picture I'll insert in there.
Perfect.
Yeah.
But yeah, no, I'm thrilled with the combo here, the tailgater. Great job for Blackstone. So and we're coming to the end of our vacation, but
yeah,
a lot of people have moved on.
And this is our last camping trip
for the season. Yeah.
For the season, and I guess we went out 3 times to eat. We had some really good meals.
Really good food.
Nice,
really good
nice crab
spots.
cake. And then we can go home and we'll have the weekend to relax.
We'll have a few days to continue relaxation and then go back to work on Monday. But either way, everybody else have a great day and a good life. We're trying.